list of resource persons, dates, themes, and ISBN number for publication applied for that, everything I set it right. And they kept the proposal for 1.5 months without taking any decision. Almost by the time of completion of receiving abstracts, they rejected it. Simply saying that the nodal officer is mentioning that why you are concentrating on HNDs a lot, concentrate on core subjects. You idiots, while you are thinking like that, why should you ask us to send proposals and pressurizing us to organize conference? Is it the equal treatment? Is it the way to behave an academician? And I took that as a challenge. That's not a problem to me. I wanted to show what I am and organize the conference in association with SB University. That was the first event of Edtai Tirupati chapter. As a challenge, I took it and I showed it. Like that many were struck. See, they took it as a challenge or something like that. It hurts the ego. And the second event, I think Mangai Madam is there. We attended a conference at Ramnathpuram. Edtai sponsored us on what is called Train the Trainer on internet tools and all those things. We got trained there. In response, we are supposed to organize one training, such a kind of training for teachers. For that also this institution not supported it. And I approached some other institute's chairman who was close enough to me through my books. Somewhere he saw my book which I authored and he inspired by that and he contacted over phone and got some copies for the library. Only phone communication we are familiar. Directly I approached him, I am so and so. He welcomed me and when I asked him, I am in such a situation, I wanted to organize a program. He welcomed me. I organized it. And that was created a lot of rumbling in my life. And it seriously hurt their ego, and they went to the maximum extent. First, they gave a show cause notice. Why you are organizing a program in other college while you are working in this college? I told them, not only in that college, in this town, anywhere I can go. I am a member in LTOI. I am in charge of Tirupati chapter. Anywhere I can go and organize the conferences. Who are you to question me? Only 9 to 5. I am responsible to you. Afterwards, you are not a call. And they constituted a 3-man commission and they were asking me to explain in front of the commission. Yeah, I explained them the same, but fixed minds might not be satisfied with my explanation. That is what I told. Finally, they punished me with 2 days LOP. For those 2 days, I organized the conference, workshop. But I never turned back. Okay, at it. If you asked for just LOP, I allowed you in the beginning without all these ruptures. Is it that? See, in such a case, not only myself, many people are facing the same. But I am a radical type of mentality. I never bother about anybody. So that is why I am going in this line. But some other people may be dealing with them in different perspective. See, that is what technical and non-technical. I seriously object that, and moreover, some of the people from these departments, science or humanities, we have so much of humanism, but other people don't have any humanism. They are technical, just like us technical robots. They don't have any humanistic nature, but we are very human, so we are struggling like this. Right, next? Yeah, communications, that is what I am speaking. Everybody speaks about the management, chairman comes, secretary comes, yeah, sorry to say, అందరూ ఇంగ్లీష్ లో మాట్లాడాలండి campus లో. All the people have to speak in English in the campus. What the English teachers are doing? You need salaries, you need increments, you need all these things, but you are not doing anything. Okay, everything is right, sir, fine, sir, well, sir, but how far you are talking in English? Okay, let management people, all the people may not be fluent in English, leave it. What about the head of the institution? I think most of you have bitter experiences with your heads of institutions. I am sorry to say that. If we talk a 10-minute time with the head of institution of any engineering college, we will be, what is called, it is a torture. It is more than torture. It is not neither Telugu nor English, something like that. You are not in a position to speak in English for a 5 minutes. How can you expect that all the students can do? And what about other faculty in the college? Core subjects. What about the language? What is the importance of core? You cannot speak even 5 minutes in your subject, not about others. Are you teaching completely English to English in engineering colleges? No. Almost 80 to 90% of teaching in English in the regional medium. Those are core. Immediately they can get 80,000, 1 lakh after doctorate. But the people who are doctorates in humanities get only 30, 35 something. One idiot management which I attended an interview in Tirupati for some metropolitan city, they have organized interviews in Tirupati. They mentioned in the advertisement that PhD graduates doctorates can get minimum 80,000 salary per month. But when it is the interview, it is related to the technical subject. Regarding the languages and humanities, it is 35,000. You idiot! You have to mention that in advance. How can you say that? How can you discriminate that? In such a kind, see, like that, there is inhumanistic, unprofessionalistic differences existing. Everybody talks, everybody needs, everybody wants English, but nobody bothers about the situation. There is a saying in Telugu, Yatha Raja Tada Praja. How the king is, the people like that. If the head of the institution is not in a position to talk in English, we cannot expect the students can talk in English. When the faculty is not cooperating to speak in English, we cannot mend the students to speak in English. Even that made in some other institute where I was talked about it. It is not the single man or woman who is teaching English cannot turn the campus speaking in English. It is each and every faculty member has to cooperate. Each and every member has to involve in it so that we can change it. All of you have to cooperate with us so that we can change the campus to speak completely English. But that doesn't taste to the head of the institution. And that has become a target towards them. You are talking about the faculty, you are talking about the head of the institution, you are making all responsible to make the campus speaking English.